My name is Steffen Hägele. I'm one of the CEOs at Hägele GmbH and I'm 29 years old. The first thing I do after coming back from lunch break is I get myself an espresso and I ask my brother or some salespeople to come into my office and we have a nice cup of espresso. To work in a family-owned business, I think it's very special. I grew up in a family-owned business. I grew up and I have seen Cleanfix growing up. I was 7 when it was invented, and so as a kid we always were able to choose to behave at home and go and work to earn some money, or not to behave at home and to go to work as a punishment, free of charge, obviously. Some of the colleagues I know now for 15 or 20 years already, and they have shaped me, they have shaped me personally, they have shaped me on a professional level. And so it's wonderful to see each other growing, it's wonderful to see the company growing, and so I think it's just that vibe of a family-owned business. We are a little family in and of itself. I see how our employees put so much effort in it. They go an extra mile, they identify themselves with the product, with our company, with the moral, with our values, with our culture. To work with my brother, Ben, is actually a nice thing. I'm still the younger brother, although I'm bigger now than him, and so he doesn't want to wrestle with me anymore. But working with him is very great. I think the bottom line is that we have the same ideas, we have the same mentality, we want to get the company to a similar direction, and so it's very good and a lot of fun to work with him. An exciting development I have witnessed is, I think, the production. We have improved our production, we have made it more efficient, we need less space, we need less time actually, we have a bigger output, and so that's just a wonderful thing to witness. Another exciting thing I have witnessed is the growth the company has shown over the past 14 months. Over the past 14 months we grew by, I think, over 20 employees. And amongst others, there is Mr. Friedemann Reitle, who is the new head of finances. We grew by Mr. Fabian Opitz, who is our new sales director worldwide. And I'm very, very happy to have these people in the company. When I was a child, I always wanted to become a chef. But then I made an internship as a very fine restaurant in Stuttgart. And then I knew it has to stay my passion. I don't want to work in that environment. And then I decided to become a mechanic. Never wanted to become an engineer, actually. I switch off after work with going on a walk. I live very close to the vineyards and to a forest. I love cooking. I think that gives me a lot of creativity. Mix all these different ingredients together to one fine meal. I want to shape the company in a way that we sell products our customers can trust. We want to put a smile on our customer's face. I think that's very important. And it's also part of our culture, part of where we come from, and I want to maintain this. And with this, I hope trust will build up with our partners, with our importers, with our customers, with our OEM customers, and with a growing trust, the relationship will grow. And with a growing relationship, the company will grow as well. So I want to keep that in balance. On one hand, I want to maintain the culture we have, and on the other hand, I want to see the company grow as well.